My name is Richard Lohr, spelled Lohr. I'm 87 years old.
Very good, Richard.
I will be 88 in October. The overall was absolutely, it was so easy. I couldn't imagine it being easier. It took less time. There was no pain involved. I had pain pills given to me, but I think I only took one pill 2 days in a row, and then there was no reason. My life is much simpler after the surgery because I no longer have to wear a harness or anything like that to protect me or to control the uh,
Hernias.
the unusual and discomfort of the hernias themselves.
Very good, Richard. And would you like to, anything there that you want to add?
Worrying about.
Very good. Very good. Well, thank you very much, Richard.
More than glad to do this. The dealings that I had with you as my surgeon were wonderful.